Welcome to Crash Cases, where split-second choices reshape lives. Here, real moments of impact unfold like fragments of a fragile story, reminding us how quickly control can slip away. Settle and steady your breath, and follow these roads as they reveal what risk truly means. A speeding car lifted off the road and shot over a dealership, proof that control can vanish in a heartbeat. Slow down and respect the limits.
If I were you, Tell, you're a good man. We could go far. So I went horse hunting.
Trying to beat the train trapped the car on the tracks, ending in a severe collision that showed how risky impatience can be. Pause, look, and cross safely.
Удалось ли вам пересечься на площадке и сыграть в кадре с нашими мэтрами? Нет, Инна Чурикова и Олег Басилашвили. Нет. Не пустили.
Такой грустный вопрос. Удалось ли? Самое для меня обидное, что все-таки по всей Москве висит.
Go to Agler. Northbound, west road to Agler. No! God!
Dashcam shows a patrol car responding with sirens when a Jeep turned left across its path, leading to a side impact and curb stop. The driver lost control and slammed into a wall, showing how a brief lapse can turn dangerous fast. Keep your focus steady and leave room for correction. A 7-seat car crashed straight into a storefront, narrowly missing a woman selling inside. Concrete mixer lost control on a winding road in Baton, narrowly missing 2 motorbikes, then struck a parked truck and a roadside shop. Runaway vehicles are extreme danger. Check brakes and stay alert. Reckless speed sent the driver off a mountainside, rolling into danger, yet walking away unharmed. Luck doesn't replace skill. Drive steady and think ahead. White car failed to keep distance and struck the rear of the vehicle ahead, showing how tailgating quickly leads to danger. Always maintain a safe following gap.
Then you turn and climb back westbound.
Shop your ball, back out, one, downwards. Okay, looks like, heading north now.
Brake-failed tanker plowed into multiple cars, exposing how quickly heavy vehicles can overwhelm traffic. Keep distance from large trucks and stay alert. In Joplin, Missouri, a stuck reverse pedal sent a car through a store, damaging equipment. Thankfully, no one was hurt. Mechanical issues demand calm check controls before moving. The electric car surged past vehicles stopped at a red light with no sign of slowing, proving how missed cues can endanger many. Stay focused and ease off early. Every scene in Crash Cases carries a quiet echo, a reminder of how a single lapse can ripple far beyond the frame. Let these moments guide your caution, sharpen your instincts, and steady your decisions before the road tests you. Stay alert. Drive with intention. And if this opened your eyes, like, share, and subscribe for the next story waiting ahead.